Hello friends, welcome to Subveggie. Today we are going to learn eggless banana and pineapple cake recipe. That is a easy banana layered cake recipe. Cakes, pastries, desserts are really temptations to one and all, and be it kids, young ones or the oldies. Kids love licking the cream over the pastry and cakes, and it's just yum and salivating. The temptation for eating more is just guilt-free. There are umpteen varieties of exotic, delectable and mouth-watering cake recipes. So today we are going to learn pineapple and banana mixed fruit cake recipe. Ingredients required for this are all-purpose flour 1 3/4 cup, and sugar 3/4 cup, baking soda or cooking soda half tablespoon, baking powder 1 tablespoon, banana 1 cup pureed, pineapple half cup pureed, milk 1/4 cup, vegetable oil half cup, chocolate buttercream 1 batch. Now we'll see directions to prepare. Preheat oven to 180 degrees centigrade and take 18 centimeters round baking pan and grease it with oil and dust it with the flour and coat on all sides. Tap off the excess and set aside. Now take flour, baking soda and baking powder in a sifter and sieve well. And set aside. Now take oil, sugar, banana puree, pineapple puree and mix well till combined. Now add in half of the flour and mix in and add in milk. And fold gently. Now add remaining flour, mix in and fold gently. Divide this between two baking pan and spread evenly. Bake for 25 to 30 minutes until the cake is cooked. Insert a toothpick to check whether the cake is baked or not. If it comes out clean, then the cake is cooked. Let it cool in the cake pan for 15 minutes. Invert it onto a wide rack and cool it down completely. In the meanwhile, made a batch of chocolate buttercream. Now place a cake on a plate and surround it with parchment paper and then spread chocolate buttercream over it and spread evenly. Place another cake on top and top with some more buttercream. Spread it evenly on top and the sides. smooth the icing well. Put it in the fridge for 15 minutes to set. You can cover the cake with the fondant or have it as it is, or decorate with the chocolate flavors, whatever way you want to present. So yummy tasty pineapple and banana cookies ready. It is very much go well for birthdays. Do try and bake up a sweet treat with any one of the popular and easy cakes recipes that you just love to prepare. So try it and have fun. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe.